Go. No, stop. Turn right a bit. Turn right. No, right.
Ready?
Go. Back. Go for the second ball.
Yeah.
Whoa. Slow down. Okay, I'll put it down. Hey. Slowly. Forward. Okay, I'm gonna open up.
Wait, let me back up that.
Back up. Forward. Hey, slow down. You should turn right a bit.
Yeah.
Slow down. No, back up. You're running out of time, but okay. Wait. Let me. Actually, no. Put it down first. Then open it. Forward.
Okay. Wait, open it up a bit more. Okay.
It's pretty dangerous, but keep going. Woo. Back. Go for the zone. Zone. Turn. No. Don't turn yourself off. Turn left. Yep. Keep going. Yep. Left. Forward. A little bit more. Okay.